Come, come and fly away into a dream where we can see
I'm so hyped. It took so fucking long.
falling with me into the deep blue nothing.
Mic check, mic check, mic check.
Stick around until the end if you want to see the full song. Now, to understand the history of this clip, we need to break down the file names. As you can see, this was back when I used to use Snapchat. I don't use it anymore. I haven't since I graduated high school. And this was taken on March 23rd, 2021. It's nearly 3 years ago. And a lot has happened since then, but one thing that hasn't changed is I still occasionally write music. Now, I think at the time Aiden and I were either rehearsing or recording Feed the Koi, which you can listen to on Spotify and Apple Music if you want. And I was just messing around while he was setting up. Now, see, the thing is, songwriting is a very fickle business. For me, at least, songs just kind of come like that. And you might say, wow, that's so awesome. Where all this music? The answer is that happens like twice a year. I don't control it. It just happens. Literally, I sat down at that piano, I started playing G, I played a G major 7, a G dominant 7, and suddenly the song just came to me. Now, to be fair, the chord progression is very, very common. 1 major 7, 1 dominant 7, 4 minor 4, 2 5 1, which is something you'll see a lot in music. I mean, here's Something by the Beatles. Something in the way she moves attracts me like no other lover. Now for Deep Blue Nothing, we put that up to G. Come, come and fly away into a dream where we can see. So the other half of songwriting that people have a lot of trouble with sometimes is lyrics. Even if you have chords, what do you say? And some people will draw from prior experiences or whatever's affecting them at the moment. And I do that a lot, but in this case, I just started saying words. Now for the other verses that you'll see at the end of the video, those were constructed based on the structure of the original verse. Come, come and fly away into a dream where we can see. You falling with me into a deep blue nothing. So how do we then repeat that, the structure, but also vary it up? And how do we also kind of keep this theme? I don't know, there's this, for me at least, this is like dreamlike lullaby theme. So we want to start with a verb, a one-syllable verb. And for me, the one that I stuck with for the second verse I like is sing. Sing, sing a song with me. I'll take the lows, you take the highs. And I'll leave the rest of that for a surprise. So now we've repeated the first verse twice with the same chords and with the same song structure. If you're familiar with songs, you'll understand that I'm probably going for an AABA structure, which would be right. So what is the B? What is the B verse? Well, you gotta switch it up. So I usually like, for bridges and B verses, and pre-choruses honestly, just going to 2 5s. I feel like they build some sort of suspense. So for the B verse it goes, take me apart, take me away. This is the one. Take me anew. And then I want to do a turnaround. I want to go back to that A minor, so what do? You set up a secondary dominant for the A minor. So you play an E7 before you go back to the A minor. Take me anew. And then for the final AABA, we just go back to the A. Now, the question is, why am I still working on this song 3 years later? I mean, I'm not in music school. I'm a film major. I make movies. Well, it's because I'm trying to fulfill one of my long-time dreams, which is releasing music, writing music. I don't think it's something I want to do for a living. Like I said, that only happens twice a year. That's not sustainable for a career, but it's something that I enjoy doing. Now, the problem is that before I came to New York, the person I always made music with, Aiden, he lives in Spain. And right now he's in Singapore, but he's based in Spain and Singapore. And try as we might, we're both pretty busy, so working virtually is pretty tough. And since I've come to New York, I've only found one person who I've been able to actually jam with, which is my roommate and friend, Bruno. Until this year. Because this year, I met Todd. Now, the reason I met Todd is because we both worked on Day's film set. Todd was the cinematographer, I was the assistant director. And one day when Todd was over, I don't remember why, but I was showing him some of my music, and he picked up my ukulele and just started soloing over it. And I'd never showed him the song before, so of course I was like, okay, so you can improvise? And so I was like, immediately like, oh, someone I could make music with. I showed him some more music, got him on an actual guitar, not just the ukulele, and here we are. Well, I told Todd, listen, for this song, no uke, doesn't fit the vibe. Let's get guitar, let's do some finger style, you know? And he just gets it. What you're about to see is exactly what I wanted, and I didn't give him that much direction. He just kind of gets it. And that's the kind of language that you only get with some people you click with, either you click with or you don't. I guess I never answered the question of why am I still making music. The general answer, right, is it's a hobby. I love making music. But the specific answer, the why now, is that Todd, Bruno, and I are working on an EP. About 4 songs, listed here. Yeah, over the semester we'll be working on it, see if we can release it. And if we do, you'll see it on Spotify and Apple Music, of course. But for now, here is a demo/rehearsal of the 3rd song on the EP, Deep Blue Nothing.
1, 2, 3, ready,
Come and fly away into a dream where we can see you falling with me into a deep blue nothing. Sing a song with me. I'll take the lows, you take the highs. Stare into my eyes, lost in a deep blue nothing. Take me apart, take me away, take me and you. Take me unhurt, wake me today, wake me up blue. I know that you've been searching for someone to call the rain. I know that you've been praying to be born in yesterday. Drown it away, drown out the noise. Live life with me. Nobody cries, nobody knows why there is a glow down in the deep blue nothing. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna cook.
We're cooking.